Okay, so let us try examples on how to solve integrals by integration by parts. Okay. As we all knew that if you're given with this form of integral, the integral of u dv, now we can solve that one by using the integration by parts, using the formula uv minus the integral of v du. Now in our module, we have seen there and we have some definitions on which between the two will be our u and v. Correct? Because we all knew that it is the product of, unsa gini siya ang nag-involve sa kuan, sa integration by parts, product of algebraic and transcendental functions. Okay. So there sa atong module, I have given you the table, then mga common integrals of the form, no? Nga to follow and to consider nga unsa inyong gamiton, unsa inyong EU, unsa inyong EDV. Now, in this particular example, number 1, find the integral of x times e to the power of x dx. Okay. Okay. Try to look at the example. Okay. By looking at your module, unsa siya nga form? Form 1, Form 2, or Form 3? Dito sa table nga akong gihatag na ako sa module. I guess this is of the Form 1, no? So, we could have, okay, we could have, this is the Form 1, so what is our, we let, sa tong u, we let u be our x. Okay? What is our dv? Kani siya. Sa tong dv ang nabilin. So you have e to the x d of x. That is our dv. So since we already identified our u and dv, so we need to find du and v. Para ato ni siyang pangitaon, class. Kaning du ug ang v. Unsay value ana niya? Okay. So since our u is x, so what would be the derivative of u? What's the derivative of x? That is simply d of x. So in finding the value of v, we simply have v is equal to the integral of dv. Okay? So that is v is equal to the integral, unsa gi value ni dv? Kana, the integral of e to the x d of x. So it follows that your v is, what's the integral of e to the power of x dx? That is simply equivalent to e to the x. So at this part, nanatay u, nanatay dv, nanatay du, and we have v. So we can have uv minus the integral of v du is simply equivalent to, substitute, what's the value of our u? Tuara, given si x. What's the value of our v? That is e to the x. E to the x. Minus, kay minus man siya. The integral of, what is our v again? Kana, e to the x. What is the value of our du? Du is dx. So you have dx. Okay? Simple as that. Now simplify further. You have x times e to the power of x is simply that one, x e to the x. You copy. Minus, what's the integral of e to the x dx? Simply, you have e to the x, then plus c. That's it. Simple as that. Okay? Take note sa atong lecture notes. Specify na ko dito nga ang inyong u will be the simpler, no? Ang dv would be the complicated. But in example number 1, naa siya of the form 1. Okay? Okay, I hope na nasabtan so that we can move on to example number 2. Okay. Example number 2, we have given the integral of x ln of x dx. Okay. The integral of x ln of x dx. So, at this example number 2, unsa siya nga form na bilong? Nabilong siya, tanawa inyong handout, inyong module. Form number 2. That's correct. It is of the form number 2. So, ako mag-plus star ani. Okay. Okay, adjust ako gamay. Okay. Okay, form number 2 man siya. We let u be ln of x. So, our dv is katong nabilin. X d of x. Okay? So, na naman tayo, let's find du. What's the derivative of ln of x? Recall? Derivative of ln of x is 1 over x d of x. So, our naman tayo dv, v is simply the integral of dv. So, what the integral of dv? Unsa tong dv? The integral of x dx. Okay, unsa integral ni x dx? V is simply equivalent to, unsa itong integral? Mag dugang og 1. So, that is 1/2 x squared. Okay? So, naanata. Nanatay u, nanatay dv, nanatay du, and nanatay v. So, using the formula, you have, you have, natumba, you have uv minus the integral of v du. So, you have, what is your u? Sige ito itong u. U is ln of x. Just at ha. Okay, lisod kay ga video. U is ln of x. What is our v? Sorry. Kapuya mag-video eh. Okay, our v is times 1/2 x squared. Okay? Minus the integral. Unsa value ni v? 1/2 x squared. Then du times 1 over x dx. Okay. So, simplify further, you have ln of x times 1/2 x squared. So, you have, pila man? 1/2 x squared ln of x. Minus, na may constant na 1/2. So, ito'y paggawas, minus 1/2 the integral of x squared times 1 over x dx. So, simplify further, you have 1/2 x squared ln of x minus 1/2. Okay. So, look at x squared and x. Nabatay ma-cancel na We could cancel x. So, x na lang ang mabilin diha. You have the integral of x dx. Okay? So, padayon ta. Doon naman tayo have 1/2 x squared ln of x minus 1/2. What is the integral of x, gali? That is 1/2 x squared plus c. Am I correct? So, padayon. Finalize your answer. You have 1 half x squared ln of x minus 1/4 x squared plus c. That's it. Okay? Simple ra kay, no? I really hope na mo'y nasabtan on how to solve integrals by integration by parts. That's all for today.